Welcome. This presentation is going to walk you through how to use Flipgrid and MyOpenMath, and we're going to start with Flipgrid, and I'm going to use the desktop version, although you can also access Flipgrid on a smartphone through the app. So if you go to flipgrid.com, the first thing that you're going to have to do is enter a flip code, which for this example I'm going to use E2B772. So you enter in the flip code for a particular question, and you go to next, and then it'll bring you to the specific question or questions that you're being asked to respond to. So in this case, I've listed three questions that I would like you to answer. When you're ready to answer those questions, you go down to the plus, and you can record yourself. So here I am, and I'm just going to answer the three questions that are over on the side. When I'm ready to answer those three questions, I'm going to press the record button. Now, if you notice up here, I only allotted 90 seconds, but this can be adjusted. So for this particular assignment, students have 90 seconds. So when you're done, you come over here to the green arrow. Now, if you notice up here, I only allotted 90 seconds, but this can be adjusted. So you can see that that allowed you to kind of listen to yourself and see how your response sounded. And the last thing that it has you do is it lets you take a picture of yourself. So there we go, take a picture of myself. And then I can throw a little sticker on there. Let's see. Let me see if I can give myself some glasses here. Okay, there we go. And then I can start to enter in this stuff. So I'll do this real quick. Let's see. Eric Post. I'm going to skip that for now, and I'm going to submit my video. Okay, now as students upload their videos, they will all show up right here, and so we can listen to other students' videos. It's as simple as that. So again, we need a flip code, enter in the code, and then we can walk through the process of answering the questions that are being posed. So that takes care of Flipgrid and how easy it is to use Flipgrid. Now let's talk about MyOpenMath. So MyOpenMath, there's a little bit more to get started. So I'm going to go to myopenmath.com, and I'm going to register as a new student. So to do that, I'm going to come right over here and click on register as a new student. Okay, now I want this to just kind of be a generic person, so I'm going to say my username is CVHS student. All right, I'm just going to make a simple password, Wildcats, and I'm going to just say John. Let's say Doe. I'm going to try to avoid putting in the email address. I'm going to leave that. Let me uncheck that. Okay. Now, the course ID is 32853. And by the way, these codes will be at the end of this presentation. And then the enrollment key is CVHS Applied Calculus. Okay. Now I'm going to sign up. Oh, it does allow. All right, let's see. I'm going to put in my... Okay. Now let's see if I can sign up. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to the login page. I'm going to go CVHS student and Wildcats. Now obviously students, you need to go ahead and enter in your own information, but that's just going to allow you to get in. Okay, so once you're in, I mean, you can see how easy that was. I'm going to go over to Applied Calculus. And what I did for this particular presentation is I just created a sample assignment. Here's what I love about this software is it allows us to answer questions in a math format. So take a look at this example question which we've been learning about. Now, I've already done the work to answer this question, so obviously you would need to spend some time off to the side to figure out what this answer is. But again, I already know what it is, so I'm going to start typing it in. 1/2 natural log times x squared plus 6x plus 10. And what I really like about this is right over here, it shows what it would look like in a math format. Okay, so if something doesn't look right over here, we know we've got to go back and fix our notation over here. So once I've entered in something, I'm going to go ahead and submit it. And there you go. We got it right, so we're ready to move on. Now the other feature about this that I really like, not only can you enter the math format correctly, but it also allows us to watch a little video if we don't know how to do something. So let's say I get to this question and I have no idea how to do it. I can click on this video tool and it's going to show me a short video of how to complete this particular problem like this one. Okay, so again, not every question is going to have a video feature, but quite a few of the questions do. So again, if we don't know how to do it, we can simply click on the video and watch a sample problem that will allow us to maybe have a better shot at answering this one correctly. Okay, so that's all we have to do to use MyOpenMath. We've got to create the login information first, and then that'll bring us to kind of our home page. Now let me just show you real quick. That was the sample assignment, but the first one that I'm going to have the class complete is this Chapter 4 Integrals Review. So once you have your login information all taken care of, you're going to jump down to Chapter 4 Integrals Review, and there's going to be a total of 10 questions. And again, most of these have videos accompanying them. Okay, so I hope those short presentations for Flipgrid and MyOpenMath show you kind of how to use everything. And here is the code information for Flipgrid and MyOpenMath, so you could pause the video or record those right now. So again, these are two great technologies that we can use in the classroom. I hope you find them as beneficial as I have so far. Good luck to you. If you have any questions, of course, please let me know.